Hey everybody, welcome to Internet City Computers Detroit with our channel Fix It Right. Today we're going to show you how to change a screen on an Alienware laptop. Most laptops are similar, but we're going to show you how to do it on this one. Removal, reinstallation, pretty straightforward piece of cake. Come on over here, let's see how it's done. Okay, so here we go. We're going to show you how to change an LCD. We got an Alienware laptop in this morning. It's got a broken LCD. We can power it up and take a look at it so we can see, confirm that this is indeed true. And I take a razor blade and I stick it in between here and just pry this frame up until I get it going. And then I peel it off all the way around, pull it all the way up like that. Now on these newer laptops you have this little, it's a elastic adhesive. You find the tab and you pull it down, it stretches, and as you stretch it, it loosens itself up. Kind of like those hangers from Scotch that you can put on your wall to hang pictures. You pull it down, you got to be careful not to break it. If you break it, you're kind of screwed. That one's going off to the side there, but it's almost finished. Okay, so we're done. Throw that in the garbage. The other side, we got the tab right there. Let's use some pliers so we can grab it. Grab that little tab. Be careful not to break it. Pull it down. I usually guide it with my finger straight down. Just like that. I remember seeing a video of a guy one time prying this off with a spudger, and he bent the lid. So anyways, this is how you do it. You pull this adhesive off and the screen just literally falls off. So here you go. Now you just get to the connector over here, disconnect it, and I want to show you guys something very important. You gotta be careful. A lot of people will order a new LCD going off the model of the laptop, and you can't do that because the laptop might have several different screens that they use. They might have a glossy, might have a retina reader, whatever. So you have to pull the screen out and go off that number on the back of the screen right there, and that is the number that you order to get an identical screen to go into this laptop. Okay, to reinstall the screen, you kind of just reverse the process of uninstalling the screen. You can use these little tabs, these little adhesive strips. Sometimes they come with the LCD. Most of the time they don't. I don't really care about using these. Not a huge deal. These are the same as what I pulled out. They're the ones that stretch. There's a little tab. These aren't going to be long enough for this screen. So what I do is I'll just use my own 3M tape, 3M double-sided tape right there, and I will put a strip right here. I can find the end. Strip right here and a strip right here. Sometimes I'll go along the bottom and the top, and then when you're ready to put your screen back in, you peel off the other side of the tape, you line your screen up, you plug it in very carefully, you stick it up to the top to line it up, drop it in, push it with your fingers really gently to get it to stick, and then you snap your frame back on, a piece of cake, and that is it. And that is how it's done. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we will get back with you. Thanks, and come back, subscribe, give us a thumbs up for another video on Fix It Right. Adios.